Looking to give your truck, laptop, or any smooth surface a fresh, eye-catching upgrade? The Chroma Graphics White Star Wars Stormtrooper Family Decal Kit offers a striking way to showcase your fandom while protecting your gear. These decals are crafted from automotive-grade vinyl with a UV coating, ensuring they stand up to outdoor elements without fading or peeling. I've seen firsthand how these decals hold up over time. One customer shared how their daughter's black truck became a canvas for these bold Stormtrooper designs, creating a sharp contrast that really pops. What makes these decals stand out isn't just their look, but their durability. Made with self-adhesive, weather-resistant vinyl, they cling firmly to smooth surfaces, whether it's your car, laptop, or even a skateboard. Plus, the kit includes 9 different decals, giving you plenty of options to customize your style. If you want decals that don't just look good but last for years, this kit is worth a look. Customers have repurchased these decals because they maintain their boldness through sun, rain, and time. Ready to add a personalized touch that's both fun and resilient? Try the Chroma Graphics White Star Wars Stormtrooper Family Decal Kit when you're ready to transform your gear with a bit of iconic flair.